Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth again. I've just got to show you this. This is amazing. This is part of my business rapport for online marketers. Now, this guy, Jordan Alexi, actually contacted me. So he goes, "Hi Diane, I see we've got a few mutual friends. Let's connect." So I'm getting a lot of people from one certain group. So I said, "Are you with Liam's challenge too?" And he said, "No." "What's his challenge about?" So it's the $1 Million Passive Income Challenge. Oh, hang on a minute. That's better. Okay, it's a $1 Million Passive Income Challenge, 1,000 people to earn $1,000 in 30 days. Wait for what you do. No, so check out your link. I do acting mostly, and he generates passive income through cryptocurrency. And he has high profile mentors, Ray Higdon, Russell Brunson. So I've always wanted to be an actor. So I'm really interested in this guy. So basically, I didn't even notice the fact that he wanted my link. So I'm going, "Hey, you're an actor. What do you act in? Are you in films, TV, on stage?" Then I nearly missed it. So I sent him my link. So he goes, "For film and TV." "Yes." And I'm going, everyone dreams of being on TV. Then I asked him if he took a look at the challenge, because a lot of people are making money in it. Liam started his live trainings a couple of weeks back, and I'll be starting my own webinar soon. So he says, "Thanks for the reminder, I'll check it out." So he liked the marketing strategy. He may use this as a lead generator to put people on his email list. And this winter, I've got a little bit more time. Now, this interested me very much because he mentioned the word email list. Inside this package, we have an email autoresponder. So, anyway, there was a problem with my link, so I'll get that sorted. And then he watches the video. So he likes the idea of making 1,000 in a month, and he's going to look into it. And if the numbers look doable, I'll be very interested. I'm just in the process of working possibly with a few other people in the internet marketing space, and he needs to figure out where he's going. So I'm thinking, okay, got to get him on a call. So once he sees what's inside this little business in a box, he's going to be amazed. So I say, I'm happy because this is what I'm like. I've got Zoom, and I don't mind meeting complete strangers on video on the internet because I love people. So I'll say, "I'm happy to jump on a video call with you to show you the back office. There's a calculator as well to show you how much you can earn. And the platform has so many things. So thanks, that would be great. I'd need to eat breakfast." Like, it's the middle of the morning for him, and it's the middle of the afternoon for me. So it's 3:15 here. "Where do you live?" He lives in New York. So I'm going, "What time is it?" And he goes, 10:20. So I'm going, lazy bones, and I'm having a bit of a laugh with him, you see. "Where do you live?" So New York, and it's 10 o'clock, 10:20. So he's got Zoom, so I can share screen. And then, well, he did say 45 minutes, but it was more like an hour and a half. But I didn't mind that because at that time I hadn't got any calls planned, and I got something else planned. So I got a block of time that I was free if he needed me. So basically, you get him on a call, get him on Zoom, and sometimes it can take 20 minutes, sometimes it can take 45 minutes. This one was in and out 20 minutes. Boom! The next question was, he was amazed because it's got like get response, it's got auto responder, website, blogs, capture pages, Facebook chatbot. What did I discover this morning? Automatic Facebook and Instagram poster. It's got one of those little roulette wheels if you want to put special offers on your website. There's hundreds of things that I don't even know it's about. Anyway, so he was really impressed, and therefore I said, are you ready to get started? And he said yes. And so I sent him the link. An hour later, I'd got, actually, my little, if you've got the platform open, if you get a sale, it goes ka-ching. So about an hour later, I got this ka-ching noise, and it was really exciting. So then, to keep him, well, basically, I'm actually going to start the training this Thursday at 7 o'clock. So I'm going to train my team to get leads and to get sales. And if it works this Thursday, I'll be doing it every week. So therefore, I then asked him if he wanted to come into my group. So there you go, my attraction marketing unleashed group. And then basically, obviously he's in my team, so I see him regularly anyway. I'll speak to him on a regular basis now anyway. But they can network with other people, get to know each other, and everybody's in a little hub, so we become a little family. So this is a trick that you might like. So basically, if you have a group and you give out daily tips for online entrepreneurs, my speciality is rapport and attraction marketing, mindset and daily tasks focus. You can actually, if they're all in a little hub and you get to know each other, then I've met some really nice people on here. I mean, guy in Texas, Victor, he's brilliant. And I call him JR because he keeps wearing a cap, not a Stetson. And I've got a great person in America called Jeff, and he doesn't understand English. So, because he's American. And he can't, so he doesn't understand the accent either. So double whammy. And seriously, you meet so many nice people on the internet. So all you've got to do is put out the right vibes and intention, and you will get back what you want. If you write it down every day, what you want to happen, then you attract it. It's an invisible force. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye.